This is a quick review of the AFE Stage 2 Magnum cold air intake with a dry filter on the LB7 Duramax. I picked this up on Amazon Prime for about $237, and shipping was quick. It took about a week to ship all the way up here to Alaska. Only took about a half hour to install. Came with all the hardware, everything I needed to slap this thing on. It bolts right down. This casing bolts right down to the engine compartment. I went with the dry filter over the air filter because it gets pretty dusty here in the summertime, especially where I take it, so I didn't want to mess around messing up my MAF sensor or anything. Advertised as flowing 42% better than stock, and actually doesn't sound too loud either. I Swiss cheesed the stock box by drilling a bunch of holes in it, and it's actually louder than this thing wide open, so I'm guessing the material's pretty thick here. No real fuel mileage increase, but it does have a little more pep in its get up and go, a little better throttle response. And I went with this one over other ones. One, it was on Amazon Prime, reputable brand, and the other ones I was looking at, the price went up, shipping was astronomical. And all I really wanted this for was lower EGTs when I'm driving around in the hot summer sun. So I didn't want to break the bank for it. And it works great. Easy to install, good hardware, came with everything I needed, good price, free shipping. Go ahead and start it up for you. Stock exhaust didn't really make anything louder, just made the engine happier. I like it. I'm not going to switch it out or buy anything else until it's time to switch out the filter, but it works great for what I do so far. Until next time, see you later.